Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Bigo Live, one of the most popular live streaming apps out there. Whether you're looking to become a content creator or just want to enjoy watching others, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Bigo Live? Bigo Live is a live streaming platform where you can watch or broadcast live videos. It's popular for live chatting, talent shows, gaming streams, or even just chatting with people worldwide. Think of it as a mix of social media and live TV, all in the palm of your hand. First things first, let's get the app. Head to your App Store or Play Store, whether you're on Android or iOS. Just search for Bigo Live and hit download. Once it's installed, open it up and you'll be prompted to create an account. Alright, so for creating an account, just go ahead and consider signing in with Google, with your phone number, Facebook, Twitter, whatever one you want. Just go ahead and click it, and the registration process is simple. You just be required to enter your name, your date of birth, and select your gender, and that's it. All right, so I'll just go ahead and log into my account right now. All right, so I'm logging into my account right now. Right, so this is my account. Now let's see what we have to do next. Here's the home screen. At the top, you will see featured streamers and trending live broadcasts. Tap on any live stream to join and start watching. You can scroll down to see live events or search for specific users, channels or categories using the search bar. All right, so that's the search bar at the top right corner. All right, so that's it. Now if you want to explore this, you can see the bottom navigations at the bottom of your screen. We have the live, we have video, we have the go live icon, we have chat, we have the profile icon, right? So you can just explore any of them to see what exactly they are there for. All right, so that's it. Now that's how you can actually do it. Now okay, let's go ahead and click on each of them. The first one is for the live, where you can find live videos just like this. These are live videos that you can click and start watching. The second one is for videos, where you can watch videos on Bigo Live. All right, the third one is for going live on Bigo. All right, that's the live icon that you can actually click and start live streaming. All right, and this other one, which is chats, is for sending messages to people. Right here you can match with people on the app, and also you can send messages. As you can see at the top, there's two options right there. We have rematch and we have messages. So if you select the message option, you're going to see all your messages right there. All right, so why this other icon at the bottom right corner, which is for me, that is actually for your profile, right, where you can actually check your profile. Right, you can click on your profile picture to edit, and also you can do a lot of things from your profile. Right, so that's it. Now let's move to the next one. All right, so now let's talk about how to go live. Once you're all set up, all you have to do in order for you to go live is to click on the go live button at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on that, you'll be able to add a live title at the top of your screen. Just go ahead and add a live title just like this, and then you have to choose whether you want to host a private live stream or a public live stream. You can get that option just below the live title. Right, so just go ahead and click on that and select either public, private, or a key room. All right, now the next thing we have to do is to now click on the go live button. So I will do that right away. So in 3 seconds, you'll be live on Bigo. Now, on your live stream, you can interact with your viewers. You can receive gift from your viewers, and also you can play live matches with your viewers. All right. If you want to interact with your viewers, you can see the comment section at the bottom left corner. Once you click on that, you'll be able to send any comments on the comment area of your live stream. And also you can even invite viewers to come and join your live stream. So how can you do that? You see the option right here at the bottom area of your screen. You can just click on that, and then you can see this match option at the bottom of your screen. Once you just click on that, this automatically look for people who are live on Bigo, and then it will match you up with them so that you can go live with them. And also you can even send requests directly from your comment section right here. Once people are joining, you can just click on them, and you can see this guest live option right there. Once you click on that, an invite will be sent to the user so that the person can actually join you as a guest. All right, so that's it. All right, and also there are other features that you need to know about in your live stream. So if you click on these 3 lines right here, you're going to see that there are some settings and some other features that you could explore to learn how to make a better live stream. All right, so did I mention that you can get a gift during your live stream? So that's one of the way you can actually make money on Bigo Live. All right, so that's it, guys. Now let's move on to the next one. All right, so now that you know how to go live on Bigo and interact with your viewers, let's see how to explore more features. All right, so if you want to explore some other features, you have to go to your profile. So click on the me icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you'll be able to see some other features right here, and most of these features have been talked about in my previous video. I have a full playlist where I discussed about most of these things right here. So if you want to check out those videos, I have this playlist that I'm going to add at the end screen of this video. So just go ahead and check out the playlist, and you will learn more on how to use Bigo Live. All right, so if you ever want to go to settings, that's the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on that, and it will take you to your settings. Here you can see your privacy settings, your blocked links, you can manage your accounts, and more other stuff right here. Okay, so if you want to ever log out, you are going to see the logout option at the bottom of your screen. So just click on that and click on show, and this will log you out successfully. All right, so now that you know the basic, here are some tips for success. So if you want to succeed on Bigo Live as a streamer, you have to be consistent. Try to stream regularly so your follower know when to expect you. And also you have to engage with your audience. The more interactive you are, the more people you tune in. And also you have to be yourself. Authenticity goes a long way on Bigo Live. So that's it, guys. Hope these tips was helpful and you now know how to start Bigo Live as a beginner. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.